Happy February, VIPs. Oh yeah, your future's so bright you gotta wear shades. I'm so excited about today's workout. First of all, happy February, the month of love. I am so grateful to be your coach. We're gonna be having a great workout this morning. Hi there, Brooke, congratulations on your progress report. Hello, Yelly. Oh yeah, it's all about red. New month, new goals. Happy Valentine's. It's the month of love. Love is like a master key that opens the gates of happiness. So this month we're celebrating self-love and self-respect. Are you guys ready for that? We're going to be kicking off the first workout of February today while other people are sleeping in, hungover from all that drinking, all that liver encrusting drinks, alcohol, their guts bloated out to here, feeling exhausted, head pounding, and all that food they ordered up on Uber Eats. Well, you know what we're doing? We're getting lean, mean. Oh yeah, honey, and we're feeling iconic. That's the VIP power. So right now, I want you to enjoy really cracking your success code. You know, people lock their success. They lock it up, throw away the key. Where VIPs, you have that key. And you have that key to unlock your happiness in all areas of your life, okay? I want to be the first one to wish you happy Valentine's because I love you. I love you. It's all about love. I love seeing your results. Big ups to Brooke Gillespie Trout, losing weight. Also, Michelle in Canada. She has to take her wedding dress down one size. That's the success that we are talking about right here. Okay, let me just look you straight in the eye. I can look you straight in the eye and tell you that it is working. Some people can't even look at you straight in the eye. You can see the lies in their eyes, okay? So let me tell you what, there's nothing more prized in life than true friendship, all right? Sometimes people gotta be up in your space to take things from you, and that's when they think that they are a good friend. But see, we have a beautiful relationship here. I support you, you support other VIP sisters. We're a supportive community because it's all about love. We get to wave our freak flag how we want, when we want. And we have a heart that is so big that we can give a lot of love. A lot of times people have a hollow heart. Our heart is so full of love and VIP power, guys. So today we're gonna be doing Unleash Your VIP Power at 8 a.m. And I'm gonna take a little page out of the latest book right here. VIPs, programming. I was once afraid of people saying, who does she think she is? Now I have the courage to stand and say, this is who I am. I want you to raise your spirits up. Anyone out there feeling Jolt today? Anyone out there feeling amazing? This isn't a 10-step program. Give me $10,000 and I'll help you unlock the whatever and win, make six figures. No, this is a real deal, guys, okay? No shyster con artist up here. You're getting in your VIP room, you're doing the work, you're turning the key, you're unlocking yourself from generational sabotage of poverty, of addiction, of obesity, of excuses. You might have seen your parents either work very hard or unlike, some like me, I see my parents just kind of sliding by. You know that movie where it's like an action movie and you got to slide underneath that big steel door before it's too late. Boom! Right now, guess what's happening? People are on the other side of that steel door. They missed it. You guys are scot-free. Your January was so amazing, so much full of love right here. And I want to tell you right now, I started my own personal self-help journey. I soon realized I had to reprogram myself. I had to replace my old, archaic, outdated habits that are old like a dinosaur. People are still behaving through old, archaic dinosaur programs that do not work. And instead of sleeping in, I woke up early. Instead of going to bed late, I went to bed early. Instead of worrying, I prayed it up. And I became a warrior, okay? Ooh, I want you to give me that VIP flex. Going with the flow. I'll go with the flow. No, I started getting up and demanding the universe what I knew I could earn and grow with. Instead of trying to fix everyone's problems, I let go and I let God. Last but not least, I swapped out looking frazzled and flustered, and I made sure I was put together, polished and poised. Okay, little red lipstick when you're working out today? Why not, honey? This is the most important thing you'll do today. This workout changes everything else you do. So you might as well get up, show up, and dress up and kick butt, okay? So listen, guys. We're going live at 8 a.m. For all my members, you're getting results. I love your progress reports. If you haven't put them in yet, you have until Monday, February the 3rd. It's a new month, new goals, new intentions, new results, new energy, new goals that are going to be crushed, new ripped, shredded, shripped energy, and new love. Oh yeah, I'm so jolted. I'll see you at 8 a.m. Let's do this. Thank you, Yelly. Michelle, I'm so proud of you. It is in the action every day. Yes, 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 yes. All right, queens, let's do this. I believe in you. For those that are watching that are not members, Ari, JNLVIP.com. Join. You're missing all the fun. Let's do this. Love you, Susan.